here. You have when 3x squared plus 4 is divided by x minus 1. The result is a plus 7 over x minus 1. What is a in terms of x? Okay, here I'll make a pause and you may try to figure this out, okay? You know, again, here there are two ways to do this. Either you do the division of polynomials, or you can do, you know, a rearrangement of the terms in order to find a match for A. Imagine this. Imagine you don't remember the division of polynomials, okay? Let's say you're not very clear about it. How can I still solve this? Take a look. You may say 3x squared plus 4 divided by x minus 1 has to be equal to this. Since they ask me to find A in terms of x, why don't I create a match? Try to force a match of the terms on both sides. First step, if I want to create a match of both expressions, why don't I try to put everything on the right side of the equality as a fraction? Because in the end, what is on the left side, the original expression is a division, is a fraction. So let's give common denominator. And this is it. I have now two fractions on both sides of this equality. So if the denominators are the same, it follows that the numerators must be the same. 3x squared plus 4 must equal a times x minus 1 plus 7. So what is a? Well, isolate a, you know. You have 3x squared plus 4 take away 7 equals a times x minus 1. This is 3x squared take away 3. And finally, dividing everything by x minus 1, you have this. Factor 3, here x minus 1. And what can you see? Well, if you have done your homework about memorizing algebraic identities, the basic ones we saw in a previous lesson, right? For example, the difference of squares. Then you know that this part here can be factored, can be understood as 3x minus 1 times x plus 1. And so this goes away with this. Finally, you got A, 3 times x plus 1 or 3x plus 3. And that's it, option C. All right, that's one way. It's a little kind of long, you know. Much better is to do or follow the algorithm of the division, right? You may say this, I divide, let's do it from here, 3x squared plus 4 by x minus 1. Okay, divide this term by this. What you have is 3x. Multiply 3x by x minus 1 and subtract from 3x squared plus 4. So this would be 3x squared minus 3, right? So I place 3x squared negative. Instead of minus 3x, I place minus 3x. Remember, we are subtracting the results of multiplying this by this. So what happens when I do the algebraic sum? This cancels, but then I have 3x positive this time plus 4. So I continue the next step of the division. 3x divided by x is simply 3. So here appears the 3. Multiply 3 times x minus 1 and subtract it from this part. So 3x, negative 3x, 3 times negative 1, negative 3, but I'm subtracting, so plus 3. And what happens? It happens this. This goes away, 4 plus 3, 7, end of the division. This is the remainder. And this, all of this, is the quotient. So,
What is 3x squared plus 4 divided by x minus 1?
is the quotient 3x plus 3 plus the remainder divided by the divisor. So this is it.